Have you ever taken a video and seen that one spot is really good and you wish you had a photo instead of it being part of a video? You can capture a frame of a video using Google Photos on either Android or iOS, and I want to show you how. I'm Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour. So this is my Android, my Samsung phone, and here is Google Photos. And this video right here, that's our ship's horn. All right, but somewhere in here, yeah, that's what was the important part of this video, was we were getting a water salute. And I would like a picture. I would like just a JPEG image of that particular frame. So what do? Step one, you need to edit. This is Google Photos, remember, you need to edit. And now I'm seeing the timeline of the whole video down here. If I just tap somewhere in the timeline, it gives me a scrubber. So I can find the spot where there is the image that I want. And now it's just that little camera icon right there. You tap that and export frame. A new photo has been created and saved to your library. Okay. Now just a mistake I've seen people do is when they get into their video, they try to move in the timeline by tapping on the left-hand edge and moving over. No, that is still saying 0, 0, and when you tap the capture image, it will capture the 0, 0 frame. That is trimming. If you want to shorten your whole video, this is what you do. But if you want to pick a frame, you just need to tap there until you get this playhead scrubber, and you can move to the one spot and then capture the frame. So now in your Google Photos library, there is an individual photo of that water salute. And I just want to show you that you can do the same thing on an iPhone. It just looks slightly different. You have an export frame button right away rather than that little camera button and then export. But you still position a playhead to the spot that you want and then export frame.